So we're finishing, or we just finished, the warmest April on record, Jenny. So these are average temperatures. We take into account morning lows and daytime highs. Our average temperature this year, 57.8 degrees. That blew away the old record for the warmest April, 2004, 56.3 degrees. And I'll show you exactly why. Look at this calendar. You can see how many days we had above average. Those are all the reds. Not a little bit above average. Look at that, 14 degrees above average, 25 degrees above average. 23 degrees above average. We had a lot of days in the 80s. In fact, 6 days at or above 80 degrees at PDX, which was also a new record for number of 80-degree days. And the warm weather continues right into May. It's a beautiful afternoon outside. If you like the warm weather, 78 degrees at PDX currently. It's 59 at Mount Hood Meadows, which is warm for the mountain at that elevation. Skamania Lodge, 78 degrees. Astoria, that camera just kind of burnt out, but it is clear there, and temperatures are in the low 70s. Statewide, it's warm east of the Cascades, 79 in Pendleton, 72 in Bend. High pressure in control. That means sinking air, and air warms as it sinks. So we really have summer-like conditions outside today again. So looking ahead, the next week, what does it hold for us? Well, sun and mountain storms today. Again, at any point in time this evening, we could see a storm roll off the Cascades then into the valley. So Chief Meteorologist Kristen Van Dyke will be monitoring that closely later this evening. Cooler showers arrive midweek, so I think late tomorrow into Wednesday will be wet at times, but then there's another weekend warm-up just for moms. Mother's Day weekend looks quite warm. So bubble of warm air over the top of us, ridge of high pressure. That means the storm track is to the north, but check it out. We got a little trough that moves in that brings cooler air and showers the middle part of the week, so a pattern shift, and then the roller coaster ride is back on. We have another ridge that builds this weekend. I think we'll be in the 80s both Saturday and Sunday of this coming weekend. So I think a lot of people will appreciate the midweek cool down and the return to showers. Here's the timeline on that. So watch as the showers develop over the Cascades later on tonight and the storms. This is 7:30. So one of our models saying not a lot of action here in the valley, which is a possibility, but I also want to let you know you might hear a rumble of thunder or a downpour later on this evening. Here's 11 o'clock tonight. Storms down to the south. Tomorrow we wake up to more clouds than we had this morning. This is 7 o'clock. So more clouds west of the Cascades as that onshore flow increases. Partly sunny skies tomorrow, highs in the low 70s. Once again, storms firing over the Cascades by 4 o'clock tomorrow evening. Then the showers become more widespread overnight, everything moving south to north. Here's Wednesday morning. It looks like the commute will be wet, and then we're kind of in and out of the showers. The wettest part of Wednesday will be the morning west of the Cascades, and then we get storms developing east of the mountains on Wednesday afternoon. So here's your 7-day forecast. Today, again, very warm. Wouldn't be shocked if we get some action later on this evening. Late shower on Tuesday with more clouds around, cooler temperatures. 63 on Wednesday, so that's just slightly below average, but might feel nice and refreshing after the 80s of early week. Shower chance on Thursday, and then we rebound into the 70s on Friday with mostly sunny skies. Saturday looks like kind of like today, 84 degrees the high, and then Mother's Day 80 degrees with mostly sunny conditions. It's really interesting when you look at the last month. We've been in this pattern where we get a couple of really warm days, and then we get back to normal with a few showers, and then we warm up again, and so we continue that this week.